If you're seeing a OneDrive unknown error, don't worry. This is usually a generic message, which means OneDrive knows something went wrong, but it can't always tell you exactly what caused it. In most cases, the issue is related to a sign-in problem, a browser cache issue, a date and time mismatch, a network glitch, or even a temporary Microsoft service outage. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step, so you can get OneDrive working again as fast as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's start with the simplest fix first, and that is signing out and signing back in. Open OneDrive in your browser or app and sign out of your Microsoft account. Then close the browser or fully exit the OneDrive app so the session is completely refreshed. After that, sign back in using the same account you normally use with OneDrive. Sometimes the error is caused by a temporary authentication issue, and this simple refresh is enough to clear it. Once you sign back in, check whether the unknown error is gone. If that did not work, the next thing to check is your date and time settings. Believe it or not, incorrect system time can cause sign-in and sync problems with Microsoft services. On Windows, right-click the clock on the taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. Then make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on, and also enable Set Time Zone Automatically if it is available. If your device was set to the wrong region or time, OneDrive may fail to connect properly. After updating those settings, go back and try OneDrive again. Now let's clear your browser cache, because old stored files can sometimes interfere with OneDrive loading correctly. If you are using OneDrive in a browser, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to All Time, then check cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data. Once the cache is cleared, close the browser, reopen it, and sign back into OneDrive. A corrupted cache can often trigger strange unknown errors, so this step is very important. If the problem still continues, the next step is to check Microsoft service status. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. Open your browser and search for status.cloud.microsoft. On the service status page, look for OneDrive and see if there is an outage or partial service issue reported. If Microsoft is having a problem, there may be nothing wrong with your computer, and the best fix is simply to wait and try again later. Service interruptions usually resolve on their own once Microsoft restores normal operation. And if OneDrive is still showing the unknown error after all of that, try using a different browser. For example, if you were using Chrome, switch to Edge, Firefox, or Safari and test OneDrive there. Sometimes browser extensions, privacy settings, or temporary browser conflicts can block OneDrive from loading correctly. A different browser can help you quickly confirm whether the issue is browser-related or account-related. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are sign out and sign back in, check your date and time settings, clear your browser cache, verify Microsoft service status, and try a different browser if needed. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the OneDrive unknown error without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.